Hey there, my name's Nadernejad. I'm the director of Nadernejad Media here in Halifax. We're a PR firm specializing in online reputation management. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you about something called impression management. Every online reputation specialist and public relations expert should know about impression management. It is changing the way people perceive you by controlling content and the way that it impresses upon people. So, what that means, what all that jargon means, is when you Google something, you encounter links. And if I can control those links, if I can put the headlines and craft every headline in those articles, but it doesn't appear that that content comes from me, you start to trust me. You think, well, this news source said positive things about Nader, so he's great. Well, this influencer said some positive things about Nader, so they're great too. And then you start to get this impression. Now, if you believe what you see out there, because obviously you will, it's sourced very, very strategically, and it seems to be coming from different sources, so you think you've done your research and things look great, you, my friends, have been subjected to what we call impression management. And great PR specialists around the world, online reputation management experts, know how to do this. And it's something that's not talked about enough. Impression management was coined decades ago. I can't remember who made it up, but I didn't make it up. It's something that you need to understand. And we were saying that for a long time, we help you reverse engineer outcomes for your business by crafting positive media that impresses upon people. It changes their perceptions. And then we realized the term is called impression management. And it's a service that we offer. And that's what's unique to us. That's why we're different. We don't just help you strategize on your communications messaging, but we help you deliver the messages that count. And the messages that are not only going to move your audience, but move your stakeholders to take the actions that you need. Whether you're reaching out to venture capital firms globally, or you want your internal stakeholders to be able to make certain decisions that are going to lead your strategy along lines. We help you do that. And not only do we help you create that messaging, but we help it get to the right people. So whether you need an internal or external communication strategy that work together symbiotically or separately, we can help you. We're running right here out of Halifax. I've been in Halifax for the past 5 years. I've made 600 videos about our city, and I'm here to help you create an online presence that is going to help you with your goals. Let's have a chat. I'm going to drop my link down below. It's my Calendly link. You can book a meeting with me at any time and we can talk. We can strategize, whether here in the city or over a video call or even a phone call. And I'd love to give you a hand with anything that you're looking to do in your company. Again, my name's Nadernejad, the director of Nadernejad Media here in Halifax. And thank you so much for watching this video.